Welcome guys to the Doctor Who 2017 in the Gamers channel. This is now part 2 of the assemble of both the Graflex and this saber here. I'm just going to call this saber model. There might be a model of the saber of this, but I will plunk what it's called like over this side here of an image what it's called. So today's video is how you reassemble a Graflex and the saber here. So if you watch the part 1 of this video, you will understand how you're going to reassemble it. So we're going to start off with the basic lit core. As you can see, I'm holding here. This is the basic lit, and this is the Pro3, because the Pro3 is different to the basic lit. As you can see, the Pro3 has an SD card, this doesn't. So I'm just going to move this Pro3 core on one side. So this is how you will install a saber with a basic lit. Right? Get your top of the saber, like the emitter and the switch. You slide it into the saber, line it up as well with the button. The way I do it, okay, that's in. The way I always do it, hold on, just to make sure, yeah, I've got every single one, is to tighten the back piece in. As you can see what I'm about to do, I'm going to tighten that back piece in. As you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. The way I always do, if the button's wedged in, the best way I would do it is you grab a charger, plonk it into the charger piece, and then when you get the two long piece to fit into your saber, remember the two long piece must go in. Hold on, because this just came out. Remember to plunk your two in. I think you can't see. As you can see, I'm just tightening it in. As you can see, I'm just doing it on top of my forehead. Just tighten that piece in. If it's wedged in, come on, tighten it in more. Right, that top piece is in. Now just grab your second one. I had a second one. Just grab a second lot. Plonk it in the hilt. As you can see, I'm just about to do now. Just plonking it back in. You can see, just tighten that bit in. As now you taken off this piece, now you can see that the basic lit is in. Just plonk this pommel back in, and let's just let me just turn that down. Now you know it's in, and now I'm going to plonk.
I've become more powerful than any Jedi.
As you can see, you got Count Dooku. I'm just going to change the colour of this to a white, because why not? I'm just going to leave it like that. Hold on. As you can see, now you know the saber is on.
No sound.
Still works. And now you know it works because of the saber. Now I'm just going to put one side of the saber over this way from both of my laptops, from each end of my laptop. Now I'm going to show you how to plonk a Pro3 core saber to your Graflex. Same steps as like the part 1. but you're just going to do it the other way around. So, plonk your profit core, line it up with the button, like I said. So just give it a twist. Sometimes it's twisted in, sometimes it don't. Like I said, it ain't going to go anywhere. Get the small piece in to your hilt. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't work half the time. Right, now I'm just getting a clamp. Make sure to line it up. Hold on. Line up the button to the saber. As you can see, it's not turned on. The light won't be turning on. So if I turn it on, see where you got to line the button in? Line it up in there. Grab your long piece, plonk it in the thing, but make sure to screw the inner pommel and so you got the inner pommel and the back pommel. Screw them in together. Tighten the small. Oh wait, hold on. I think I plunked the wrong one in. Hold on. Whoops, I think I switched the wrong ones around. Hold on. Let me just change the long one out of this one. I think it's this one. Hold on. I gotta switch them out because I think I put the long one into this saber here. Oops. My mistake. Make sure to get the screws in right. Not like me, because I done it stupidly. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, because I plunked the long one in there. Oops. Okay, that's in now. So I knows. Let me just get my button. My graphics. Where is my button to go in there? Oops, hold on, let me just line them up together. Come on, line up, button. Line up. Now get your long piece of the screw. Slide it in there. Chairs, then tighten it in. Now grab your card. As you can see, I got mine. Slide the card in. Now you know the profit core is in. Just make sure to grab your blade plug. Plonk it in there. Tighten the screw what's on top of the graphics, as you can see. Tighten it in. And now you know it works. Now you know it works. 1, 2, 3. Now you know how to unscrew the profit core and the basic lit from both of these sabers on each of one of the sabers. So basic lit is now in this saber here. If I turn it off, oops, 1, 2, 3. you know this is the basic lit.
No sound.
I'm just going to turn that off, and now you know the properties in. Now you know the properties in this one because of this hot news string. Okay. Just hold it for 3 seconds. That takes 4 seconds. Now you know how to operate, how you assemble and disassemble a Graflex from a basic lit to a Profi, from this saber to a Profi to a basic lit. Now I will tell you where you can get these sabers from. So these sabers here, so this one here, this saber here, this saber here, and this saber here, you could get them in Padawan Outpost. So this one is my custom one, so the red emitter, the gold, the dark grey and the light grey of this part here, you could get them in Padawan Outpost or any saber companies. The saber here with the dark grey and so the same colour as that one on this pommel. So these 4 sabers, you could get them in Padawan Outpost. These 2 sabers here, you could get them in Dematic Sabers. I will plunk a website for them so you can see where you could get the sabers. The Profi saber, you could get it from Crimson Dawn or Padawan Outpost, but the Padawan Outpost Profis are sold out. But you could get the same kind of core, but it's called an exopixel core. So that's why I'm gonna plunk it into this saber here. So I'm gonna plunk the base. So I'm gonna swap this basic lit to go into my Dematic saber because I had 6 cores. No, 7 cores, but one of them didn't want to work. So I'm gonna swap that basic lit for the exopixel core. This will be a basic lit. To get the sound fonts, I did the video of the Graflex where you could get it. So the sound fonts you could get is Kai-Sif, Kyberphonic, Saber sound fonts. There's basically anywhere, any Saber fonts you want, you can look it up. Just go find a video of like lightsaber sound fonts. There is like all different companies you can get it. That's basically it. So if you want to get a saber like these ones here, the 4 sabers, so hold on. This saber here, this saber here. Oh, let me just change colour on this one. 1, 2. Go for a red. I like a red. So you could get this saber, and the Graflex. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I pledge myself to your teachings.
So this so 40 sabers, as you can see here in front of you. You can get them in Padawan Outpost. The Profi core from this saber here, the Graflex, as you can see if I turn it off. The Profi core, you could get it in Crimson Dawn. Like I said, Crimson Dawn or any other places that has a 1-button Profi saber. These 2 sabers, you can get them in Dematic Sabers, okay? I will do a showcase of all my sabers. I did a short video of all my lightsabers, but there's some of it I got, but I will get them out sooner or later. I will show you all the sabers of like the kiddies ones till like the Hasbro until like these sabers here. So this saber, this saber, this saber, this saber, and this black one. I will tell you where I got these, and plus this Profi core with the inside, the Graflex with a Profi core inside. I will do a video of that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching these sabers of how you disassemble a saber core from a basic lit to a Profi core to a basic lit to a Profi core. I thank you guys so much for watching those videos of part 1 and this part 2 of this video. If you do want more of sabers to review, just let me know in the comments. If you want me to get another saber, I will review it for you lot. If you want to see a lightsaber battle, I will get one of me mates to do the scene, and I think the hardest part would be the effect of doing the lightsaber, so we're going to just do it like a normal daytime of it. But yes, I will do a video for you lot, so you can watch the saber fight between me and my mate from college, doing the lightsaber battle, wearing the costume as well. I will do that for you guys. I will plonk the video of the model hunter, because I did a video but I forgot to post it a few weeks back when I got it. I will do that for you after this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, leave comments, subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you want more sabers, like sound fonts from a basic lit to the Profi, I will do so for you guys. That's about it. If you want to see more sabers, like I say, if you want to see more sabers, like the comparison between a basic lit to a Hasbro or a Hasbro to the Profi, I will do so for you guys. Like I said, leave comments for that if you want to see it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure to hit the notification bell on your YouTube app from laptop, computer, or anything you got at home. Just hit the bell so you never miss an upload just like this one here, or the new video what's going to be up. And I will see you guys very soon. So thank you guys so much. This is your boy Dr. 2017 and the Gamer here. I'm going to change that name because I don't do any gaming, so I need to change that around. Thank you guys so much. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, because some of you lot ain't subscribed, because I can tell. Okay, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. I want to hit like 100 subscribers, then work my way up, you know. So I will do that for you guys. If you could do that for me, you guys, just stay tuned to the channel. Ayo. This is your boy Dog 2017, and the Gamer is out. Peace.